Taking a look at stock index swing, got short on Monday, patient throughout the day on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday as this trade continued to hold around its entry point, and then today we captured the gap down. So the nice thing about swing strategies is sometimes the trend takes place on a gap, and we were able to capture that. Market opened at 1951, covered at 1948.50 is the profit target from a short of 1968.50. Again, that was initiated on Monday. One of our top strategies, one of our favorite strategies. If you want to trade just one swing trade strategy or one E-mini S&P strategy, this is definitely one to consider. One of our favorite strategies. It's also in the 9 system and 100K portfolio. Taking a look at the Dow dollar ranges, monthly ranges. Last month we talked about how the Dow incurred its lowest percentage monthly range based on its high to low and closing values ever in the 90 years that we can take a look at this data that I have access to on TradeStation. It was the lowest percentage range ever, 1.81%. And before today, we were near the second lowest range. I believe it was 2.02% range. We're 2.5% now. It's the last day of the month, and that range has expanded as we're hitting lows of the month and forming a key reversal pattern on the monthly bar chart. And so we'll see what happens. It could be interesting as the S&P is through 1950 and it's the last day of the month, and sometimes the end of the month, beginning of the month can determine the more long-term trends. And so we'll see what happens if this market, if this becomes a dip buying opportunity or if it is a uh, more a larger trend to the downside. But we're still in the trend line, so not calling a top yet, but it could be interesting to see what happens. We just like the fact that ranges are expanding and our strategies are doing well this month, and we'll have the update tomorrow on the portfolios.